everyone, welcome back to my channel. I have new hair. I finally ate the sword and I dyed it this color. I originally was gonna go for more of a lavender color, but I decided to go with this. There's like pink in it, there's a light pink, there's this like really like this color here. I'm really digging, I'm not gonna lie, but it's like all over. It's not perfect. I know when I do it again it will be perfect, so I'm happy with it. Just want to introduce you to my new hair and my new eyebrows. I decided to kind of thin them out a little bit. They're still a little thick and I decided to thin them out and give them my original shape that I had. Kind of older videos where they're like quite archy. I kind of like that look and it was like new hair, new brows. But anyways, this video is all about the Boxyluxe box. I think that's what it's called. You pay like $49.95 I believe, or like pretty much like $50 to get like a bigger box. I just want to see if it's worth it. This is my first time getting it, so let's just jump right into it because someone told me I talk too much in the beginning of my videos. Here is the little card that it comes with and it tells you all the stuff that you get in your box. I don't know if I can hold it up. Ooh, ooh, ooh. But this is what it looks like. I don't want to drop anything, but this is what it looks like inside. So the first thing I want to grab is a living proof full dry volume blast. It's a styling and finishing spray. My brother loves living proof. I think I'm gonna start using it because I don't really have a lot of volume. Well, right now I kind of do, but like I don't really have a lot of volume in my hair and I just kind of want it to look like whoosh. This retails for $29. The thing about, you know, BoxyCharm is like full-size products, and that's what I really like about BoxyCharm. The next thing, this is one of the reasons why I wanted to get it. The box. It's the Pharmacy Honeymoon Glow. It's a night serum with hydrating honey and gentle flower acid. You're supposed to do it at night. But it's this bad boy right here, and this is one of the main reasons why I wanted this. But this retails for $58. This is $58 for 1 ounce or 30 milliliters. What it looks like out of the box. I can't wait to start using that. Then you get like a mini blow dryer. Ooh, ooh. It's a diffuser, the heat diffuser. But you get like 2 attachments. You get this very beautiful coral. Oh, look, it kind of matches my hair, kind of, not really. Blow dryer. I wonder how like good it is. I don't need this really. I wonder how good it works because like I don't know. I might use this one instead of mine. This one is called the PYT Mini Turbo On The Go Dryer. This retails for $85. This better be the best blow dryer ever. But this is what I'm dying to try. I love a good Korean product. They have great stuff over there. Ah, no problem. Like no problem, no problem. Oh, they're funny. This retails for $23. It is a primer. The primer is supposed to tighten up your pores. I am totally going to do a review on this. Oh, to the Lemonade lip gloss from Dominique. I'll just put a little bit on. It smells like the Grand Canyon candle, the sugar cookie one. Oh my god. This smells so good. The next item from this box is the Clean Biotonic. It's a yogurt cleanser from Dr. Brandt. I really like his products. This retails for $35. I know I keep looking down. I'm so sorry. And I don't know, I just really want to give it a go because I've been using the Cetaphil one and I kind of want to change it up. So I think this is a great way for me to change it up. Oh, there's something else in here. It was like hiding. This is called the Skin and Company Truffle Therapy. Do you put it, I know it's a mist, but do you put it on, shake before, oh, here's the directions. Can be used to set, oh, okay, well, it can be used to set makeup. So I'm gonna give it a go. Oh, I don't like the way it smells. It smells minty. Kind of like it. And the last product is this Tartist Pro Glow. So this retails for $45. Everything that's been in this box so far, I honestly really do like. This is gorgeous. This is a great product. It's heavy. This is a brilliant product. I'm impressed. I'm honestly quite impressed with the Boxycharm Luxie box. I think I'm gonna give it a go because I believe it's 3-4 times a year. So far, I honestly really like everything in this box. Like even this mist, I really like. At first I was like, I wasn't too sure. Y'all saw, I wasn't too sure. Now I like it. I think my makeup looks great. It looks fine. I hope you guys like my new hair. It's gonna keep changing. I don't know, I really like it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please let me know by liking or leaving a comment of what you'd like me to review or do next. Don't forget to subscribe so we can be friends. Until my next video, I shall see you guys next time. Bye!